Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix No More Room in Hell 2 crashing on Steam. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you several quick fixes that can help get the game running again. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click No More Room in Hell 2, select Properties, and open Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish completely, then launch the game again. If it still crashes, move on to the next step. Step 2. Update Windows. An outdated version of Windows can sometimes cause compatibility problems with newer games. Open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam and test the game again. Step 3. Update your graphics driver. Your graphics driver is another important thing to check. If you're using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, open the manufacturer's graphics software and check for available driver updates. Download and install the latest recommended driver for your GPU. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC and try launching No More Room in Hell 2 again. Step 4. Restart Steam and your PC. If the game is still crashing, completely close the game and Steam. You can open Task Manager and make sure Steam and the game are no longer running in the background. Then, restart your computer. After Windows loads back up, open Steam and launch the game again. This can clear temporary memory problems and background processes that may be interfering with the game. Step 5. Clear Steam's download cache. Finally, try clearing Steam's download cache. Open Steam Settings, go to Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. Steam may restart and ask you to sign in again. Once Steam is ready, launch No More Room in Hell 2 and test it one more time. So, to recap, verify your game files, update Windows, update your graphics driver, restart Steam and your PC, and clear Steam's download cache. These are some of the most common fixes for crashing and launch problems. If the game is still crashing after trying everything, check the game's system requirements and make sure your PC meets them. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed the problem for you. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.